Lily Allen received an panicked email from her young daughter at school, but it soon became clear there really wasn't much to worry about. Ethel, 12, appeared to be alarmed, but only because her project had clearly slipped her mind. Obviously not allowed to use her phone and getting in touch with Mom on a computer in class, she sent her the SOS to the best person for the job, and the singer decided to post the exchange on Instagram. A screenshot of the blunt no-subject email read, "What's a cultural or traditional dance from poor family?" Lily captioned the uploaded, "When your kid emails you from school in a panic about a project due today." She didn't leave us guessing, and bailed her out with some sarcastic YouTube videos. The youngster is probably some real help from her parent if recent comments are anything to go by. Last month, the Smile songstress confessed to has putting herself in first class and her daughter in economy for a flight to London. Weeks before, Lily admitted her two children totally ruined her pop career. She shares Ethel and Marnie, 11, with ex-husband Sam Cooper. However, she has now admitted her daughters have cost her the career she'd worked for. Lily chose to prioritize her children instead of work and has hit out at the decision many women feel forced to make. She feels women have to decide if they want to put their career or children first. The singer-turned-actress confessed, "My children ruined my career. I love them and they complete me, but in terms of pop stardom, they totally ruined it. I get really annoyed when people say you can have it all because, quite frankly, you can't. Some people choose their career over their children and that's their prerogative, but my parents were quite absent when I was a kid," Lily told the Radio Times podcast. "I feel like it left some nasty scars that I'm not willing to repeat on mine." Lily's dad Keith Allen, 70, walked out on her film producer mom Alison Owen, 63, when she was 4 years old. The singer split with builder and decorator husband Sam in 2015 and divorced in 2018. She is now married to Stranger Things star David Harbour after they began dating in 2019. They tied the knot in a Las Vegas ceremony in 2020 and lived together in New York with Ethel and Marnie. Last year, the couple sparked concern for their marriage following reports that Lily and David had barely been together over the past several months. Lily's extremely busy schedule saw her spend the summer starring in London's West End production of The Pillowman, while David remained at home in New York. David appeared to shut down rumors of any marriage crisis, saying they were doing so great. Follow Mirror Celebs on TikTok, Snapchat, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, YouTube and Threads.